This is the one-port controller. First, connect the controller with the XLR cable. Next, connect it with 10 meters extension cable. And then need to add 1 pieces amplifier for each port. Then need to connect with a T cable here and connect the T cable with the LED tube. And then you can connect the T cable with a 1 meter extension cable. And next, connect with the next T cable. And here you can also put other cable, like 3 meters cable. Okay, it is the same. So you can put different lengths of cable between the T cable, between the LED tube. And as for the last LED tube in a group, need to connect the last tube with power supply.